This summer, fashion has taken a bold turn. Picture this. The sun is setting, casting a golden glow over the red carpet. Cameras flash, capturing every moment of glamour and style. Amidst the buzz, one look stands out, captivating everyone's attention. Maika Monroe steps onto the scene, exuding confidence and edgy elegance. Her ensemble? A striking black leather outfit that's as daring as it is chic. It was a night to remember as Maika Monroe arrived at the premiere of her highly anticipated horror film, Longlegs. The atmosphere was electric, filled with the anticipation of fashion critics and fans alike. As Monroe made her entrance, all eyes were on her, and for good reason. She wore a black leather strapless bra top, its sleek design accentuating her poise and sophistication. Paired with a matching wrap skirt from Courrèges' Fall 2024 collection, the outfit featured a daring knot and cutout at the hip, adding a hint of playfulness to the look. The bra top, tied at the back, brought a touch of sultry elegance, perfectly in tune with the current trend of exposed bras. Behind this stunning look were the talented stylists, Chloe and Chenelle Delgadillo. Known for their ability to create unforgettable red carpet moments, the Delgadillo duo once again proved their mettle. Their expert styling transformed Monroe into the epitome of modern glam, blending edgy elements with timeless elegance. As Monroe continued down the red carpet, her look was completed with black leather second skin boots from Courrèges. These boots, with their sleek pointed toe, created a seamless visual effect, blending perfectly with the hem of her skirt. The second skin boots trend has been a major hit on European runways, with brands like Gucci, Dior, and Acne Studios showcasing their own takes in Milan and Paris. To amplify the slightly gothic vibe, Monroe's nails were long and sharpened, courtesy of Lost Angel's beauty. Her makeup, done by the talented Jenna Christina, was simple yet striking, featuring a slightly dark eye that added depth and allure to her look. And to top it all off, she wore a stunning Gismondi 1754 diamond ring, adding a touch of sparkle and sophistication. Inspired by Maika Monroe's bold fashion choice? Incorporating black leather pieces into your summer wardrobe is easier than you think. Start with a statement bra top or a sleek wrap skirt. Pair them with second skin boots or edgy accessories to create a look that's uniquely yours. Remember, fashion is all about self-expression, so don't hesitate to experiment and make bold choices. This summer, embrace the allure of black leather. Channel your inner Maika Monroe and step into the spotlight with confidence and style. After all, fashion is not just about what you wear, it's about the story you tell.